Today we are going to take a journey through time to explore the historical evolution of the global economy. Understanding this history is crucial to making sense of the current state of the world and anticipating future trends. We can trace the origins of the modern global economy back to the 15th and 16th centuries, the age of exploration. European powers sought new trade routes and resources, leading to the colonization of vast territories and emergence of a global trade network. The Industrial Revolution, which began in the 18th century, transformed the global economy. It marked a shift from agriculture to manufacturing, fueled by the technological advancements and the rise of capitalism. This era saw the rise of great powers like the United Kingdom, which dominated global trade and finance. The 20th century brought both great progress and immense challenges. Two world wars devastated economies and societies, but they also led to the creation of new institutions like the United Nations and the Bretton Woods systems aimed at promoting international cooperation and stability. The post-World War II era was marked by the Cold War, a period of geopolitical tension between the United States and the Soviet Union. Despite this tension, the global economy continued to grow, driven by advances in technology, transportation, and communication. The 1970s and 1980s saw a major shift in economic policy. Many countries embraced neoliberalism, an ideology that emphasized free markets, deregulation, and globalization. This led to the increased trade and investment flows, but also growing inequality and social unrest. The late 20th and early 21st centuries have been characterized by the rise of emerging economies, particularly China and India. These countries have become major players in the global economy, challenging the dominance of the West and reshaping global power dynamics. Today, we live in an interconnected world where events in one part of the globe can quickly affect economies and societies elsewhere. The global economy is facing a range of challenges, including climate change, inequality, and geopolitical tensions. Understanding the historical evolution of global economy is essential for navigating these complex landscapes. It helps us understand how we got to where we are today and provides valuable insights into the forces that will shape the future.